Hi there, and welcome back to one of my little challenge days. Now, I'm going to take on ChilliBobs once again, and it is their banana. So, I'll go into it just all shortly. If you didn't see the video yesterday, there's my disclaimer. Just that one out the road. Right, so this one here is basically just sliced banana, but it is Thai sweet chili flavoured and it's fired up with simple primo peppers. You can see there. Okay, now the rules are quite simple: no eating, drinking, or drooling. And eat the packet and do a 3 minute. Is it 3 minutes? Just double check that. Yes, a 3 minute afterburn, and then you can just carry on or go home. Let's see how this one goes today. So, I've got the clock all ready here. Okay. As I say, it's a 3 minute afterburn. And let's see what I've got today. Alright, so when I start the clock, I'll have it sitting here. Okay. Sit here. So, you can see that. Okay. Now basically, as I said, once you open the packet, just eat it. Afterwards, 3 minute afterburn. So, without further ado, my friends, let's go up and running. And then when I'm finished doing the afterburn, I'll show you what cars I've got. Okay? There you go. There's that there. Okay. Ah. Wish me luck. I do love the flavour. I think this one's been in the block a few times. Broken a little bit. Mind you, watch where it's going. I love a little Scooby snack. Well, 3 minutes after burn. So, let's see what I've got here. I've got Zachary Good. I know I've already got them. The Texas Hotspot. Jeff the Fireman. No. And the UK Chili Queen. What I'll do, as I say, I'll go through all of them. Because I've got quite a few doublers sitting there, in fact. I can stay in frame. There. It's good old doublers. There's going to be winging its way down to my good Joe, my good friend Joe, or Stu, whoever wants them. So I'll go through all those after I've finished this. I'll get them sent out to you. But for this one, it's tasty. He's not worrying me. Could eat this one all day. There you go. We're only going to do one today, because I've got somewhere to go. Actually, believe it or not, when I come back, I'm going to do it again. Okay, so that's that one, over and done with. I say, it's nice and tasty. I like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Nice little quick one today. Bye.